We have another example on the board. Again, we're supposed to organize the equation first. We have to move -7 to the left side of the equal sign. And we have 2x² plus 7x plus 1 is equal 0. 2 is my A, +7 is my B, and +1 is my C. Write the quadratic formula first. X is equal -b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is equal, b is equal 7. That's why I have -7. Keep in mind that this negative comes from the formula, plus minus square root, and I have b, which is 7 to the second power, minus 4 times a is equal 2. So I have to write 2 over here. And I have c equals 1 over 2 times 2, because a is representing 2. That's why I'm going to write over here 2 equals x equals -7 plus minus 7 to the second power is equal 49. I have 49. Negative times positive is negative, times positive is negative. That's why I'm going to keep negative sign. 4 times 2 is equal 8, times 1 is 8, over 4 equals -7 plus minus square root of 41 over 4. So I can say that x is equal -7 plus square root of 41 over 4, or x is equal -7 minus square root of 41 over 4. And these are the solutions to my problem.